Hi, this is Celine. Today I'm going to show you our Epiphyllum collection, also known as orchid cacti or climbing cacti. They're from Mexico and Central America, and they have beautiful large fragrant blooms that come out sometime in the late spring to summer. And one is known as a honeydew. So we put the name of the flower, the variety, on the pot, and this is what the flower looks like. It's a beautiful bright yellow large bloom. They usually last a few days. Now, epiphyllums thrive best in filtered light, not full sun, and we water about once a week. They have these large flat leaves, green leaves. Sometimes epiphyllums have tiny spines or thorns. It's best if it's kept away from direct sun because full sun will actually make these leaves yellow and wilted. So to prevent that, you want to put the epiphyllums in a nice shady area, but with some light. Again, filter light is best. It's not frost or cold hardy, so you want to protect it from the cold. And some varieties can grow quite long. They can grow about 1 to 2 feet long, and even other varieties can get quite tall, as up to 10 feet tall. Let me show you some of the other blooms we have here. We took pictures of this. This one is Epiphyllum hybrid Irma Bell. It has a pretty bright pink, reddish fuchsia color. And of course, this is the honeydew yellow flower. Thank you for watching.